Which of the following combination should be selected for better tuning of an LCR circuit used for communication? For a better tuning of an LCR circuit, which is also known as a series resonance circuit, a short tuning and maximum current are desired. This happens when the circuit is critically or underdamped and has a quality factor Q. The resonance frequency F of an LCR circuit is given by the formula F is equal to 1 by 2 pi square root of LC, where L is the inductance in henries and C is capacitance in farads. And the quality factor Q determines the sharpness of resonance, and it is given by the formula Q is equal to 1 by R square root of L by C. We will compute the quality factor Q for each combination. Let us check in option A, where R is equal to 15 ohm, L is equal to 3.5 Hz and C is equal to 30 into 10 to the power minus 6 farads. By substituting the values in the formula Q, we get 1 by R, 1 by 15 square root of L is nothing but 3.5 divided by C is nothing but 30 into 10 to the power minus 6, which is approximately equal to 1 by 15 into 342, which is equal to 22.8. Let us check for option B, where R is equal to 25 ohm, L is 1.5 Hz and C is 45 into 10 to the power minus 6 farads. We get Q is equal to 1 by 25 square root of 1 by 5 divided by 45 into 10 to the power minus 6, which is approximately equal to 1 by 25 into 182, which is equal to 7.28. Now let us check for option C, where R is 20 ohm and L is 1.5 Hz and C is 35 into 10 to the power minus 6 farads. We get Q is equal to 1 by 20 square root of 1 by 5 by 35 into 10 to the power minus 6, which is approximately equal to 1 by 20 into 207. We get 10.35. Now let's check for option D, where R is equal to 25 ohm, L is 2.5 Hz and C is 45 into 10 to the power minus 6 farads. We get Q is equal to 1 by 25 into square root of 2.5 by 45 into 10 to the power minus 6, which is approximately equal to 1 by 25 into 235, which equals 9.4. As we can see, option A has the highest value of Q, which is 22.8, indicating the sharpest tuning and best performance for communication purposes. So, the best combination for better tuning of the LCR circuit is option A, when R is 15 ohm, L is 3.5 Hz and C is 30 microfarads.